Hi friends, you're watching Official Furry YouTube channel which has got over 5,000 videos so far only and only of different species of birds, and see how nicely they are attached to us, close to us, and they don't have any fear of camera and me, and they like to have food from my hand. Every day they love hand feeding. So you are watching Official Furry YouTube channel, and like, share and subscribe if you love birds and animals and nature. Especially in today's world, people are becoming non-vegetarian day by day, and they like to eat anything, but actually it is not good. How 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 how